Are you guys ready for another Warm Up America campaign? Starting today, we are kicking off a shawl campaign to help out Warm Up America. They are going to be distributing these shawls to the elderly. Many different organizations and locations are going to get help, and they've been asking for shawls. So we have a need to fill, guys. Here we go. This campaign is going to end April 7th, so we have a full month to get stuff in. Here are the requirements for you to go off of. Please use 100% acrylic yarn. It is the most user-friendly for the masses and the easiest to clean. Secondly, dimensions of the shawls. These shawls need to be significant enough to wrap around the individual and keep them warm, not something to just drape over the shoulders. So if you're making a rectangular shawl or stole, definitely keep in mind trying to meet dimension of 57 inches to 65 inches wide by 20 to 30 inches long. Try to stay in those parameters. If you're making a triangular shawl, again, trying to at least make sure the top of the triangle measures out to be between 57 and 65 inches long across the top. And then when it comes to the length of that triangle, making sure it's at least 30 inches long. If you want to go longer than that, you're good, just nothing shorter than that. We are really trying to keep these individuals warm and have these shawls almost double as a lapghan if needed. I do have some patterns if you're looking for some inspiration. I have quite a few that you can reference, video tutorials on my channel. I'll make sure to include links in the description section below, but don't think you're limited to just what I have. Feel free to use whatever shawl pattern that inspires you and gets you excited, and make as many as you can. One thing I absolutely love about Warm Up America campaigns is the fact that we can mix and match colors and yarn types as long as it's all 100% acrylic. Warm Up America welcomes you to use whatever colors you want. Maybe you get like 3/4 of the way through a shawl and you run out of yarn and you just attach like a completely random different mix match color to finish off your shawl. They love it. They're totally cool with it. I love Warm Up America for that. It really is a great opportunity for us to end this winter season and begin spring. Now, like I said in the beginning, this campaign does end on April 7th. That's the last day that you can ship something into Warm Up America with the postage stamped on the package. April 7th, last day, in order for it to count towards our campaign. Warm Up America is going to count every single item that gets donated that is attached to our campaign. They'll share the numbers with me, and then I'll get to share the numbers with you, which I love. I love to see what we were capable of and how much we were able to help. Additionally, and to help the volunteers at Warm Up America to get that count speedy and correct, if you could include the form that I'll have a link for in the description section below. If you could print that form off, fill it in, so when the volunteers get the package, they just look at the form and they have the numbers good to go and they can continue on to the next one. If you don't have a printer or you don't want to print anything out, here, I'll pop the form on the screen here. Just write it on a piece of paper and insert that paper in with your donation. Again, just to help out those volunteers to move as quickly as possible. Where to ship the donations, I'll put that on the screen, the address. Pay close attention to the attention right there. Put ATT and then colon and then Tiffany-Shawls. That way they know it's for our campaign that we're putting together. Now, don't forget, Warm Up America is a charity that is going on all year long. They have multiple different types of charities that they are helping out. So don't feel like once this campaign's over that there's nothing else to send into them. They are always having needs for multiple different types of projects. Definitely check out their website to see what is in the current need status right now by going to warmupamerica.org. Thank you so much for participating in this campaign. I'm super excited to see what we're capable of, and I can't wait to see what numbers come back when we get to share those with you. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you with the next one. Bye.